Do you want to clear storage on TikTok? You can delete and free up storage on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To clear storage on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. A pop-up menu appears. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will appear. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section. Here, tap on Free Up Space. A new screen will appear showing how much storage is used by cache, downloads, and drafts. To clear app cache, tap on the Clear button next to Cache. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Clear again to confirm. This will remove temporary app data and help free up storage on your device. Note that clearing the cache will not delete your drafts or account data. If you need further space, tap on Manage next to Drafts and delete the draft videos. By clearing TikTok storage regularly, you can improve app performance and free up valuable space on your phone.